How to disable link previews in Signal. Are you guys facing issues to disable link previews in Signal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To disable link previews in Signal app, open the application and log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Go to privacy, then scroll down until you see the option generate link previews. By default, this is drawn on to show preview when you send a link, like a thumbnail and title. To turn it off, just tap the toggle next to it. Once disabled, Signal will stop generating previews and any links you send will appear as plain text only. It's a good way to keep your message cleaner and protect more of your privacy. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out the other videos on this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to disable link previews and Signal. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.